Top Best 5 Beard Trimmer for Long Beards. Beard trimmer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Limural Professional Hair Clippers. The good news about this set from Limural is that it's actually a 2-for-1 combo. It includes not one but two new trimmers, a larger unit that can tackle as much hair as you can throw at it, and a smaller electric razor that can handle the finer details. Both units sport sharp blades, and the set comes with 9 interchangeable guards that can be used on either device. Number 2. Xtava Professional Hair Clippers and Beard Trimmers. This pair from Xtava includes a larger electric trimmer that can handle hair in longer beards, and a good beard trimmer that's smaller and better suited for edging and other details. Both models are built with ease of use in mind, and feature a unique cross-edge handle that's easy to grip, and a display window that conveys speed and power settings. Number 3. Bevel Beard Trimmer. Bevel's tool-free beard trimmer forgoes attachments entirely, instead using a simple dial to adjust the length of the trimmer blades. Designed for easy cleaning, it can simply be wiped with a damp cloth or cleaned out using a small trimmer brush. Number 4. Xtava Pro Cordless Hair Clippers and Beard Trimmer. Xtava's Pro Hair and Beard Trimmer features an adjustable switch that makes it easy to change between the 4 built-in settings, and 2 attachment combs can provide additional length options. The quick charge battery can last up to 4.5 hours, and the LED display lets you know exactly how much juice you have left. Number 5. Iridream All-in-One Hair Trimmer. Iridream's beard trimmer comes with 4 detachable blades and 7 varieties of comb and stubble guard. So it's the perfect beard trimmer for guys who want one tool that can do it all. The only catch with this one is that the battery isn't quite as impressive as some of the others. It comes with a removable USB power cord to charge its 1500 mAh lithium battery, which gets up to 180 minutes of runtime after 2 hours charging. Still, 180 minutes is nothing to sneeze at, and the wide variety of combs and blades make this a good versatile option. Plus, one of those 8 has its own adjustable dial, letting you easily switch between lengths without needing to shuffle between guard combs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product